Hey guys, Sam from Uber Driver Now here. Just wanted to make a video showing you the Lyft promotions, if there are any. And with the app open right now, I'm going to show you guys that I'm not getting any kind of promotions in Lyft. So there's nothing here, and nothing shows up here either. No promotions. You can refer a driver, but that's obviously not the same as, like Uber does, these promotions. Yeah, so there's nothing here. However, I will make another video showing you guys when I'm in certain areas in LA, I will get these zones. Like it's on the screen. There's going to be like a pink zone and a blue zone, and if I'm within the blue zone and the pink zone, I make an extra like $1.50 or like $1.90 or sometimes even more, depending on how long I'm waiting within that zone for the next ride. So if I'm there, I go online and I'm within the pink zone, Uber is gonna Lyft is gonna start this timer where the longer I wait, like every 10 seconds or something, I'm gonna get like another 10 cents per additional for the ride. So I'll show you guys that in another video when I do actually receive that promotion. But as you can see, in this app, there are no promotions going on. I have a 5-star rating. I have a total of 1,414 rides. But yeah, so nothing. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Tap on the other video on the screen and tap on the subscribe on my logo to subscribe on the bottom right. And I will see you guys next time.